truck. Keep it up. Let's load the truck. Let's load all the necessary items into the vehicle. Don't stop. Let's lay rails for the children's train ride. Let's wash the truck. Run the brush along, move the washer along the vehicle. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble the minecart. Amazing! Let's load the minecart. We did it! Let's set up a fence for the safety of children. We need to wash the minecart. Move the brush to dry the washer along the vehicle and remove. Hooray! Let's assemble the concrete mixer. Let's load the concrete mixer. Amazing! Let's make a platform for passengers. We need to wash the concrete mixer. Run the brush along, dry the washer along the vehicle. Amazing! We need to assemble a flat car with containers. That's all. Let's load the flat car with containers. Keep it up. Let's make a candy stall. To wash the flat car with containers. Move the brush to wash, drag the washer along the vehicle. Done! We need to assemble the crane with cargo bed. Keep it up. Let's load the crane with cargo bed. Ready. Let's build a station building for the children's train ride. Let's wash the crane with cargo bed. Run the brush alongside, move the washer along the vehicle. You're doing really great. Let's assemble the dray scene. Keep up the good work. Let's load the dray scene. You're doing really great. Let's bring candies and balloons. Let's wash the dray scene. Drag the washer along. Amazing! We need to assemble a children's locomotive. That's all. brush to wash the drag the washer along the vehicle. Hooray! We need to assemble the train.